Right, so the first thing we did on the Mason Bee Hotel was make a three-dimensional model. This is sped up a little bit. So let's get a design we were happy with in 3 dimensions. We then took each of the faces of this model and made outlines of them and took it in a 2-dimensional software. So this is Adobe Illustrator, and we did a layout for all the pieces and then added a few words and labels, and then we're ready to take it into the laser room. So here's the laser room in CreatorWorks. Here you can see the file we're going to print, and that computer is connected to the laser cutter here. So we'll open the lid and we'll load the plywood in. And then press the go button. So the first thing it's going to do is engrave all the words, because these aren't cutting all the way through. So a close-up shot of that. So laser is working by burning the wood, so it's a very concentrated heat source. So here we are moving the rest of it. This is sped up. Now we're actually cutting through the plywood all the way to cut out all the pieces. So this whole process takes about 8 minutes. And there it is done. Let me pull it out. And in the next video, we'll show you how to put it together.